Hello, creative people! Welcome to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to watercolor a lemon in a freehand style without a sketch. If you liked today's topic, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new videos. All the materials and colors used are in the video description. Let's start by getting to know the lines of the lemon. To draw a lemon, we're going to make a circle. A bit further to the side, make another circle, and further to the side, make a smaller circle. Now, let's join these two circles. We erase the guidelines. We'll make a circle inside the first circle, a bit away from the edges, representing the lemon peel. Now, even further from the edges, we'll make one more circle, and inside this one, make a small circle. Now, let's make the lemon segments. To do this, we'll draw lines joining the small circle to the large one. When you start a new line, leave a small space between them, like I did here in the drawing. I'll reinforce the lines for better visualization. I teach this technique and other treats in my book, Watercolor with Flavor, Delicacies Without the Use of Sketches, where you will learn to paint treats in simple and fun steps. The book is on sale on Amazon, but for Prime and Kindle Unlimited subscribers, it's still free. Grab yours now. The link to the book is in the video description. We can make the seeds inside the segments and the leaves to compose the drawing. Now that we know the basic shape of the lemon, let's watercolor. I'll use the colors in a very fluid way. The colors used are in the video description. Oops, I'm going to tape the paper down horizontally. We start with very diluted lemon yellow and make the circle that represents the sliced part of the lemon. With the paper still damp, we'll put Azo Deep Yellow on the edges so the colors blend evenly. With a finer tip brush, let's make the lemon segments using the same pigment as the peel. Now let's watercolor the shape of the whole lemon. For this, I'll use very diluted lemon yellow. At the base of the lemon and in the part where it meets the sliced half, I'll put Azo Deep Yellow to darken this region. Let's wait for it to dry. We'll use this same color to watercolor the fruit segments. As the paper is still damp, we'll add a bit of Indian yellow in some areas of the segments. Use this same color to reinforce the outer edge of the sliced lemon peel and to further darken the shadowed areas of the whole fruit. In addition to the book Watercolor with Flavor, Delicacies Without the Use of Sketches, I also wrote the books Watercolor Flowers Without the Use of a Sketch, in which I teach how to draw and paint flowers in watercolor in a simple way, and the book Nature, Watercolor, and Drawing Step by Step, Paint Trees, Rocks, Trunks, and Bushes in Watercolor. Grab them now. They are still free for Prime and Kindle Unlimited subscribers. The link to get your copy is right below in the description. This is a beautiful way for us to feel closer and for you to support this channel. I'll use yellow-green to start the leaf shapes. Apply a little of this yellow-green to the lemon peel. With the leaf still damp, I'll add the other shades of green without completely covering the yellow-green. I decided I want to make a base so the lemon doesn't look like it's floating on the paper. I'll do this while the leaves are still damp so the base blends with the leaves. For the base, I used a bit of burnt sienna mixed with green in a very diluted way. I darken the contact region between the lemon and the ground. I also applied a bit of this mixture to the shadows. Let's darken the center of the segments a bit more. To finish, with the paper completely dry, we'll make the seeds. We can do this using a white pen or white acrylic paint. All done! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to leave your love here in the comments, telling me which other fruit you would love to learn how to watercolor. And of course, subscribe to the channel so we can continue creating together. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments. See you next time, and thank you for watching the video until the end.
Enjoy! They're still free for Prime and Kindle Unlimited subscribers.